Hi, today we are going to explore Joomla. In today's video, we are going to see Introduction, how Joomla was born, Content management features, add-ons and templates, difference between Mambo and Joomla, Extensions benefits, comparison with other content management systems, comparing Joomla with other open source CMS, what's in it for the developers, how you can contribute, where to find the license agreement, forum and thank you note. So let's start. Introduction. A decade ago, having a web page was cool. Today, not having a web page is almost primitive. Through a blog or a wiki or a web page, everyone these days is present on the web, one way or the other. There are websites on gossip, websites on politics and websites on sports, and so on. Why? There are websites on websites as well. Does that mean everyone who wants to be on the web has to be a geek? No. All you need is a content management system. How Joomla was born. Joomla is a one-of-its-kind, freely available, open-source content management system that launched its first version of the content management system on September 16, 2005. The idea was conceived during the Mambo Project, commissioned by Miro Corporation, Australia. The team of core developers quit the project owing to ethical differences in August 2005. They went on to create Joomla, a word that means all together. Content management features. Joomla is packed with features that address multiple content management issues. It has basic functions like updating content on a web page, as well as more advanced features like enabling RSS feeds or archiving a high volume of data. Add-ons and templates. Generally, Joomla add-ons may be grouped in three main categories: Joomla forums, Joomla galleries, Joomla blog. Difference between Mambo and Joomla. As we have seen in the earlier section, Joomla is the extended form of Mambo. Extensions. The dynamic developer team of the Joomla constantly strives to give you a satisfying customer experience. This includes giving you a wide range of extensions and sub-extensions. Let's take a look at the kind of extensions on offer. Benefits: community support, continual development, components and module templates, and other benefits. Comparison with other content management systems. Cost being the primary differentiator may play a vital role in your choice of a CMS. Open source CMS comes at no or marginal cost, while commercial software are relatively higher priced. Comparing Joomla with other open source CMS. Joomla is comparable to most leading CMS systems in terms of its features. What's in it for the developers? If you want to contribute towards the future development of Joomla content management system, then Joomla provides you the platform to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in this field. It gives you the opportunity to develop extensions and add-ons for users. How you can contribute: you may become a member of the Joomla development community and contribute towards its development. You can start with simply sharing the news, articles, reviews and stories by posting them on their news portal. Where to find the license agreement? Joomla offers the CMS software under the new General Public License, GPL. It protects the right of the licensees to use, copy, modify and distribute the programs or any part thereof. Forum is the place where you may get in touch with thousands of members of Joomla, including working group members. It is like a gateway for your queries, suggestions, feedback, replies, etc. It helps you get a solution for your CMS-related problems from a number of experts, members. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.